Hey guys, so we are starting right at measure 10 right here, the second ending. So you can see that I highlighted for you the top notes, okay? Now what's hard to see is that there's two notes stacked on top of each other, and you're going to be singing the top note, and part two is going to be singing the bottom note. So let's look at this first phrase, and I'm going to point as I see it. So it's here, 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 here. Okay? So listen first. Do, re, mi, so, mi. Can you try that? Ready? And sing. Do, re, mi, so, mi. Good. Try it one more time. Ready? And sing. Do, re, mi, so, mi. Now we're going to do it on words. Draw the circle wide. Try it. Ready? And go. Draw the circle wide. Try it again. Ready? And sing. Draw the circle wide. Now we're right here. Listen first. Mi, do, re, mi. Try that. Go. Mi, do, re, mi. One more time. Sing that and go. Mi, do, re, mi. Okay, now adding words. Draw it wider still. Listen to that again. Draw it wider still. Try that. Ready? And go. Draw it wider still. Try it again. And sing. Draw it wider still. Let's put these two phrases together. Listen first. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Try that. Ready? And sing. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Nice. Try it one more time. Ready? And sing. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Good. Let's go on. Hey, it's the same thing. Let this be our song. Try that. Ready? And go. Let this be our song. Try it again and go. Let this be our song. Nice. Sing all of that together. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Let this be our song. 1, 2, sing. Draw the circle wide. Draw it wider still. Let this be our song. And now we're right here. And now we're going to kind of break the pattern. That all kind of sounded the same. Look for the words, no one stands alone. Listen first. You're following the highlighted top note. No one stands alone. No one stands alone. Now, this is accessing your head voice, so you need a lot of space and tall vowels. No one stands alone. Try it. Ready? And sing. No one stands alone. Try it again and go. No one stands alone. Then we have a quick breath, like so quick. No one stands alone, standing. And then we come in pretty quick. So listen to the standing part. Sorry, I choked on my spit. Standing side by side. So you're going to hear me snap first. Listen. Standing side by side. Try that. Ready? And sing. Standing side by side. Try it again and sing. Standing side by side. One more time and sing. Standing side by side. Now let's put that with the phrase before. Listen first. No one stands alone, standing side by side. Okay, listen one more time. No one stands alone, standing side by side. Try all that. I know that's kind of a lot. No one stands. Ready? And go. No one stands alone, standing side by side. Try it again. Ready? and go. No one stands alone, standing side by side. Now look what you have. Draw the circle wide. All right, now let's try that whole thing. Now we went really fast. It's not perfect yet. That's okay. Let's start right there. Try your best. 1, 2, sing. Draw the circle wide, draw it wider still. Let this be our song. No one stands alone, standing side by side. Draw the circle wide. Not expecting perfection, just introducing that to you today. Thanks for singing.